Everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to set up Windows and Kali Linux operating system in a virtual machine. So the first thing you need to do is go to browser and install the virtual machine and OS. For this video I'm going to use VirtualBox. The reason why I choose VirtualBox is because it's a freeware software. So just go Google and search virtualbox.org, go to Microsoft.com and install Microsoft operating system. For this video purpose I'm going to use Windows 7, and lastly you need to install Kali Linux. Go to kalilinux.org and install the latest 64-bit installer. I have installed all the required softwares. Let's begin with the installation. So first open the VirtualBox, click the new button, and then this page enables you to configure the basic details of your virtual machine. Enter a descriptive name for your virtual machine in the name field here. So I'll name it as Microsoft Windows 7 64-bit, and then by default it will create for you the virtual machine folder. And then it is very important to select the correct operating system and the version. So make sure you select the correct type and the version. So I have installed 64-bit Windows 7, so I'll just select Windows 7 64-bit. Then click continue. This is the memory size step. You can simply accept the default. So by default it's already 2 GB. If you want to change to higher, you can set to higher. Then click continue. On the hard drive tab, ensure to create a virtual hard drive now. So by default it already select for you, and then click next. Then make sure you select VirtualBox disk VDI. This is for hard drive file type. Okay, click continue, and then create a dynamic allocated as the physical storage type. Then click continue. File location and size, by default it already create for you, no need to change anything. And then the size, for this video purpose I'll just choose to 10 GB, and I'll just put 12 GB. Click create. Okay, the next thing you want to do is click on the setting, go to storage, click empty here, click the disk icon and select your Windows operating system, and then go to network and then select net or bridge depending on what we want. Net is basically network address translation. If you just want to browse internet, web access, download emails, you can choose net. If not, you can choose bridge adapter. Bridge networking is basically for more advanced networking needs, such as network simulation. For this video purpose I'll just choose net. Then click OK, and then you can boot up your Windows operating system by clicking start. Click start. As you can see, it's already loading the Windows OS. Okay, we already in the installation part, so just select the language. I'll choose English, current time, keyboard method, and click install now. While waiting for the installation, we can install for Kali Linux next. Click new, I name it as Kali Linux. Hold on, for the Windows I'll just accept. I'll choose custom, click next. Then for the Kali Linux, I'll just name it as Kali Linux. Then type, make sure you choose Linux. And then version, I'll choose Debian 64-bit. Click continue. Size, I'll just set to 2048, 2 GB. Memory size, everything is the same. VDI, dynamic, and then 8 GB is enough for Kali Linux. Done. Click setting. storage. Here choose Kali Linux 21, and then network by default just set as a net, and then boot up. Excuse. Okay, now you need to set as a graphical. Click enter. Just wait a moment, it will boot up for you. Okay, the language I'll just set as default English, United States, keyboard, American English. So now it's loading the components. I'll just set as Kali, domain name no need, full name I'll just set Kali, password I'll put as store, and then continue. Clock I'll choose specific. So now it is detecting the disk, partitioning the disk, use entire disk, we select the partition disk, and then recommend for new user, yes, and then click continue, and then here you need to click yes to write the changes, and then click continue. Then now it's installing. This installation method is roughly around 15 to 20 minutes depending on your speed of your devices. Restarting, I'll just restart now. So now it's updating the registry. Okay, starting services, we are almost done completing the installation. So now it will install all the required components. And then for the Kali, we are almost done also. Okay, we will just click continue. Okay, so I'll just name it as a penetration PC. Next, password no need, product key we will enter later, and then I'll just select recommended setting, time just set default, network I'll set home. Yes, we are done. So now if you want to check whether you have a internet access, you can just type ipconfig. They already assign you IP address, so if you try to browse it should work. Yes, you can browse. You can browse the internet. Just close the browser first. In case if you can't access the network, so just click here network and then click network and then change to bridge adapter and then click OK. So it will disconnect first and then you type ipconfig, will take some time, then you set as the home network. Close. I'll try to browse. Yes, and then last step is to disable the IPv6. So I just click control panel, go here, network and sharing, yes, and then click on change adapter setting, right click, properties, disable IPv6, apply, OK, close your browser, clear your screen, type ipv-config again, and you can just see IPv4. Okay, you can close Windows, power off. If you want to save your machine, you can choose select this. I'll just power off my machine for now, and then we are left with the Kali Linux. Okay, all done. I'll just click continue. We are almost done. Okay, once rebooted, you will have this page with your username. So just click your username, and then it will prompt you to enter your password. So just enter your password, and then it will prompt the GUI. It will take some time. Yes, there you go.